It's Kush Kid here, and
Hey, it's D-Fly.
and we're gonna be explaining about our hydroponic system and our light system for a marijuana grow op. So we went down to Ace Hardware, and the crew down there was real nice. And so
We have 2 hood lights for fluorescent tubes.
which we have
Fluorescent
right
tube
here.
lights.
They didn't have a metal helic or whatever, or so we had to get fluorescent, even though I know it's not the best, but it's what we made do with.
Yeah. And these ones are special because they have, even though they only have 1900 lumens, they're like specially made to grow for like plants because they give off a certain radiation, like plant radiation,
Red light.
glow that makes them grow better. That's why they're labeled plant and aquatic.
Okay, so we have a 25-foot power adapter. Very simple. We got our thermometer,
It's a
and
basic thermometer, nothing special.
we went for the cheap Mylar. So we found an emergency blanket, which is exactly Mylar like. Mylar. We got a power outlet, so we can put
Power
in
strip.
power strip, so we can get all our shit in one strip. We got these like light adapters, so you can just plug bulbs straight into
The power strip.
yeah, you put this shit in here, and then you can just plug in a lamp right here. Right here we got the rain drip system for the hydroponics that aren't hooked up yet, but it's the rain drip.
Yeah.
We got stakes for it.
We got misters and we got dripper heads. And then all that is eventually going to hook up to this. It's just a pump system that just keeps the water flow. Not stale water or just sitting water is bad for the plants. So we bought this pump for about $15.
Good deal, and it pumps 55
gallons
per hour.
Yeah.
We also have these tubing. We have 2 sets of tubing. We got the smaller tubing, and we also got the thicker tubing. And the tubing, one's for the drip system, and then one's for
just regulating the flow of water between the 2 tanks that we have.
So we got 5 feet of each tubing.
And then we have this tubing, which goes to our drip system. And then we also
sets up the spider.
Yeah, sets up the spider drip system that will feed all of our plants. And then we have two things, I don't know, they're called barb adapters, but they plug into the bottom of our spider system at the bottom, and they will hook them up to our hoses, and
basically
it'll just eventually make one continuous cycle of water, fresh water, that makes it good. And there's a bunch of other things like nutritional, like plant food that we don't have right here, but this is what we got today at the store.
It's a basic setup right here that we'll have going. All this stuff costed like $170.
Yeah, approximately $170.
So we'll be able to have around, I don't know, there's 1900 times 4. You do the math. Yeah, and we'll get back to you when we finish setting it up.
Alright.
It's Kush Kid here.
It's D-Fly. One last look at our and all of our materials. Got the lights, got the hoods up there at the top. We got our tubing, all of our drip system stuff, and our electrical adapters and cords, and our thermometer. All right.
All right.
See you later.
See ya.